Hello everybody and welcome to Matthew's crypto trading channel. I'm not really much of a trader, I'm just trying this out. This is pretty cool. I'm recording the screen, I'm recording myself, and we are watching Solana. We're watching the Sol USDT pair, and I got in on a trade because it went down, it dipped below 140. And there's a lot of support around 140, and the last couple of times it's dipped below 139, 138, it's bounced straight back up. So it went down to 139. I added to a long position that I already had, and now it's gone up a little bit, and now it's just hanging out around the 140 level. I set the stop loss to 140. If it hits 140, I'll take a minor loss. If it goes up, the sky's the limit. Let's have a look at the trade. So right here we have Sol USDT. I've got 15x leverage on it. I don't recommend leverage. By the way, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm showing you what I'm doing. I've got 15x leverage. I would not recommend dabbling in leverage. And if you do it at a very, very small scale, you can easily get your fingers burned. Much better off if you're starting off in cryptocurrency, spot, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Solana, and hold it and just watch for a while. I'm speaking from experience. Hold it and watch. Don't panic. The markets are very volatile. They go up and they go down a lot. So we're just going to wait and see. We've got a small position, 15 Sol, and they're trading at 141. So does it tell me how big that position is? Let's get the calculator out. 15 times 140. $2,000. Got roughly a $2,000 position, which I don't have $2,000 just to gamble. So I'm gambling it with leverage, and it's only cost well, yeah, it's 15x, so it's cost 140. We want it to go up. At the moment it's going down. Let's switch to the 5-minute view. So each one of these little green and red bars shows what's happened in the last 5 minutes. You can see I bought it just around here, right at the bottom, 139. Then we had a big bounce, just like I was expecting. For a quick scalp trade, I probably could have sold right here. But yeah, we're gambling. So now it's gone back down again. Is it going to bounce? No, it's going to go 140. It's going to close me out if it goes below. And that's fine. I'm not in the mood for losing money today. It doesn't want to go below 140. I'm just going to watch. Turn to green. Turn to green. Turn to green. Turn to green. So the trading platform I'm using, it's called Femex, and it was fairly easy to set up. And yeah, I'd recommend it. There's tons of different ones. This seems fairly legit. You can transfer your existing Bitcoin in. That's what I tend to do. Transfer some Bitcoin in and then transfer Bitcoin back out to my crypto wallet. I wouldn't use this for buying. I think you can. I tried to set up a credit card and it didn't really work. So I wouldn't use this for buying crypto. I would use this for, like I say, transfer in from your spot wallet. If you want to play with a little bit and then transfer it back out again. $140.1. It's going to go below. I know it's going to go below. As soon as someone sells at below 140, you're going to hear a whoosh as it liquidates my position. We want a green bar to start going up the screen. There we go. It's almost like I drew it. Red again. Let's try this trick again. Green. It's gone up a little bit. I mean, it's 140.5. Crypto markets are really just stale right now. They've been chopping sideways for weeks. We're just waiting for that big breakout to the upside, hopefully. Bitcoin's trading around $60,000 right now. I'm just waiting for this to get liquidated and then I'll end the video. Any questions about how this works? Post in the comments. I'll do a more detailed video again later. This is really just the introduction. This is one of the strings to my bow. Kind of know a little bit about it. Not enough to make a whole crypto channel, but I can certainly touch on it in my how-to with Matthew, general things that go on in a normal person's life. I'm not going to start telling you that I'm making hundreds or thousands of dollars doing this. I'm certainly not making any money from day trading. I was fortunate to buy some Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin at the bottom of the last bear cycle when it was around, I think I bought some at the very bottom, not much. I bought some at 16,000, bought some at 20,000, bought some at 30,000, 40,000, you know, all the way up. Now it's at 60 right now. And it might go up, it might go down. You never know with Bitcoin, you just never know. Most likely, and what most people are saying, is that it's going to go up. Could easily go to $90,000, $100,000 per Bitcoin this year. That's what we hope for. We've got a green bar. It doesn't tell me my P&L here. Okay, so at the moment I'm $10 down. But I was about $40 up when it was at 142. And worst case scenario, it's going to close out at about $20 down. Best case scenario, it'll go up to sort of 144 maybe, and then I'll close it out for about $100 gain. Okay, we're green. We're green. Let's pause it, and I'll come back when we're liquidated or taking some profit. Well, that was exciting. We went green for a while. We went green, 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 red, 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 red. Now it's gone below 140. I've been liquidated. And I'm out. I may buy back in at 139, 138 and try it again. But yeah, that's how we trade. Trade and lose. Hello everybody, welcome back to my crypto channel. My name's Matthew, and right now we're experiencing a bounce from a strong support just below 140 for Solana. Yes, I re-entered a trade, opened up a long position at 139.4. Right now we're sitting at 140.6. We're in profit to the tune of $13 US. I'm sorry, that's just how they talk on these channels. We're getting ready for something big. Big move is coming up. So really pump up those likes. And let's get into this trade, this long position. Solana trading bouncing from support until it hits resistance, probably in about 30 seconds. When it gets to 141, then the big wick to the downside will liquidate my position for a small loss. But right now, we can see this nice upward momentum every 5 minutes, either up a little or down, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, and 1 step back. Keep it tuned. We'll see what happens. All right, we're live again. I'm even wearing my glasses for extra rugged. So I got back in at 139.4 like before. And we've been steadily going up just little by little, little by little, little by little. It's around 141. My trade is currently up. Let's see, how do we move this again? $16. $16. And I've set my stop loss to be in profit. And if it goes below 140.3 or 140.4, I think. Let's check. 140.33. It will sell the position, but I will be in profit by $10. That's the worst case scenario. Let's see if we can run it up a little bit more. Green, 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 green. Be right back. Welcome back. And we're in the green. We're back on the 30-minute view. I'll do another video on this. It's pretty cool. With some simple explanations of what is actually going on, because obviously if you've never seen this before, you probably seems quite confusing. But we were on a 5-minute view. Come on. We were on a 5-minute view. Basically, each one of these little bars is a 5-minute period of time, and then we're going to switch to a 30-minute view, so you can see a bigger picture, a larger time frame. So we're up above $142 on Solana, and my trade is up. $30, and I've just set the stop loss to 142. If it goes below 142, which it may be about to do, it's going to close out for about $30 profit, and I will be happy, be slightly up on the day. Now, I don't normally do this. This isn't a normal day. There you go. Closed. Okay, it's going red. And I am out. So I don't normally do this on a daily basis, not at all. I just thought it'd be a good idea for a video and a good way to test out the recording of the screen kind of stuff. And yeah, it's fun, and it's a lot easier as well than editing other videos. So I'm going to put this up, and the channel's going to blow up because it's about crypto, and that's all the rage. Peace out, y'all.